What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got the Moto X4 here, and I've been doing a series of videos of older devices testing out the cameras with software. Now, this device came out in 2017, and as of recording this video in November of 2019, this device has Android Pie on it with October security patch. So that is spectacular. Taking it that this device is 2 years old and it has the latest software and almost the latest security patch. The Moto X4 is a fantastic device, and I'm telling you, it runs fast, it looks good, and everything in between. Now, a lot of people criticize how the Moto X4 looked in the back. They said the Oreo shape was less to be desired for, right? But we noticing in 2019, devices are now having this type of design. So it looked bad back then. In 2019 now, it looks good. I don't know, but I digress. So in this video, I'm going to put Filmic Pro, which I already have installed on this device, and I'm going to showcase how good the cameras are, because back in 2017, these cameras was not the best. But with software, and you be the judge for yourself, let's see how good or how bad the Moto X4 is. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Woo, let's have some fun with the Moto X4. Let's go. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera on the Moto X4. Look, check this out, right? I tried to use Filmic Pro on this device. It works, but the frame rate was really bad on it. So unfortunately, you cannot use Filmic Pro on this device. Now, since this device is about 2 years old, it has the Snapdragon 630 processor with 4 gigs of RAM. Now, maybe the 630 processor is the one that's stopping it from running. Now, I've done this on other devices with like 625 processors and it worked fine. But unfortunately, with this device, I cannot get Filmic Pro to work great. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to use the regular camera app. And I'm going to show you guys some cinematic footage with the regular camera app. But this is the front-facing camera of the Moto X4. Now, let's talk about this phone for a second. This is one of my favorite phones, by the way. And one of the unique features of this phone is that it's running the latest software, which is Android 9. Not the latest software. We already know that Android 10 is the latest software, but it's up to date. Taking it that is a 2-year-old device, and it's running really close to updated software, which is great, and also the security patch. All these updates that this phone have received in 2 years, how good the stock camera app is with this device. Let me go down and show you some footage and some still footage of this device. Let's go.
The Chosen.
That's how I got that heat, let's go.
All right, guys, so I'm going to go on to use the stock camera app here so I can showcase this device camera. Now, one of the biggest issues that this phone had was poor focusing. And in 2019, and with all the updates, has it been fixed? Let's go to see if it's been fixed. Let's go to something here and see if the focusing issues here been fixed on this device. And let's go here, boom. All right. And one of the biggest things that we had on this phone, it was poor focusing, and looked like it did pretty good here. And let's go and pan around and go up, boom, there it is. So I'm looking at the viewfinder, and wow, the phone looked pretty good with the stock camera app. Looks really good with the stock camera app, but you be the judge for yourself. Now, I always use third-party apps as far as for cameras, but hey, it is what it is, right? Look at that. This is the stock camera app on this device. Boom. Wow, not bad. Now the sky does look blurred out, and of course the white balance go kick in if I go into the light. But overall, it looks good. Now I'm gonna tell you, Moto X4, a 2017 device, that came out with Android 7, I believe. Now we up to Android 9 with this device, and we got almost the latest security patch as of me recording this video. So that is really good, and I really do appreciate Motorola for sticking to their guns and updating this device. So overall, I think the Moto X4 is a good buy. I seen it on Swapper for 80 bucks. I seen it other places for like 100 bucks. I've got videos on my YouTube channel playing high-end games. Now it does have the 630 processor with 4 gigs of RAM. So, I mean, it's not the highest 845 and 19 gigs and 20 gigs of RAM. But overall, I think the updates fixed the camera. Look at that. All right, so I think the updates fixed this camera. Look at that. Boom. Nice. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I mean, it's not oversaturated. It looks a lot natural. I'm impressed here. I'm impressed because I tell you, I got videos where it was really bad with focusing and the color science was not that great, but not bad at all. Man, for 80 bucks, yes, it could be a secondary device. Yes. Boom. All right. And there it is. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Moto X4 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. That's beautiful. See if I get closer now. That is gorgeous. Boom. Detail. Later.